The market is opening now. This is the Dow on a fast chart, a 1 minute chart. Let's let the market trade a little bit and see if we can find a scalp or two. I'm pausing the video. We have this crazy action here. I think I'll wait a little longer. So I will pause the video again and be back. Okay, price is moving down. I'm not saying this line is very important, but I had it drawn across a big move, so we do have some potential support here. Here. But, the way it's looking, it could easily come right down here. Who knows? Okay, you have this area rejected. Let's see how this closes. Oh, nice move. Not even 10 minutes. It's 9:39 here. I'm not going to rush to get into a trade. Maybe a potential resistance area here. But overall, the market is very strong. This is a 15-minute chart. The Dow was supposed to be positive for the year. I believe I saw on CNBC. So it ran up, and then at the open, it started consolidating and moving lower. But from what we can see, some buying is coming in. Okay, well, that could have been a very nice scalp. Just give it a few minutes, I'll pause it. Okay, I am back. Maybe the price would like to move a little higher. I wanted to wait until this 5-minute candle closed, but we still have 2 minutes on it. Moving lower, okay. So for us, this is an important area, right? Price just really turned there. This is still chop, you know. But the tone is what? It's higher. You know, we keep that in mind and we keep looking to the shorter time frame. This really was a nice opportunity, but we're back there. So does it still look nice? Let's see. Be right back. Okay, let's see. Almost want to go long now. I'll go long. Okay, if this continues to move against the trade, the only really thing, the only area we have is here. You know, and then we'd have to see about a bounce. So we went long and the tone is higher. So we don't want to fight the trend. Let's see. Maybe it won't pull back that much. You know, I was looking at something like this as well around the time I was entering. $98 we're in. Very choppy. How do I move this? Don't draw it as background. Okay. Just waiting. Okay, I don't like the way that closed. Recently I held some trades a little more than I would like, and I would buy lower, but I want to be careful with that. I may just scratch this trade. It's not getting anything, any kind of buying here. Well, it's sort of a triangle if you want to look at it that way also, but the 15-minute chart is green, candle is green. All right, maybe it's moving higher. We're in at 98. Moved very quickly. You have a spread. This is a CFD. This is not a futures contract. This is a Forex platform. So you can have some flexibility with your size, a little more than a futures contract. Okay, this is going not too well. Let's see. This buying here, made me a little more comfortable about getting in. But, you do have just as much strong selling, but we're in a choppy situation. I would like this candle to close with a long wick there. Right. I don't know how important this is anymore. Okay, so we're in at 98. Close 98. 51. That 5-minute bar, right? You have some resistance here. Maybe it's getting pushed down temporarily, or if it doesn't get any buying, I'd like to somehow get out of this. But it's just so choppy that I don't want to shake myself out. This price could head up here. Now, this is some sort of a trend line. Look at how choppy this is. currencies weren't looking great. Maybe we'll get some movement. Oh, that was semi-important to me. Okay, let's see what's happening here. I like to be out of scalps quick, but I am trying to be more flexible, take advantage of the price action, the opportunities. There's been a lot of opportunities. This is starting to look like a tough area for the price to get through. Now, I don't have a great plan so far, except that the price is big picture in our favor. And I'd rather not layer into a position. I'd like to manage this and get out of it sooner rather than later. Okay, still watching the price. I drew this again. Let's see what happens. Choppy, choppy. Right, so what am I down? 10 ticks. I'm trading small sizes, but of course, it's a live account, so of course the idea is that you do the same thing, scale up your size, and keep it within some risk management parameters. You know, depending on all of that we're not getting into here is, you could have scaled into this position. You could have been even trading against it for a quick short. There's a lot of things you could do, but this is sort of keeping it simple and slower and just doing one trade at a time. It's almost a half an hour of trading. Let's see. I'm not hitting the sell button just yet. Okay, we're about even watching this trade. Yesterday was kind of choppy in a way. Well, this was looking good, but it's getting pushed down again. It was looking better. Making decisions all the time. Should I have exited that trade? Okay, let's see this closed. There's just so many wicks on these. It's becoming insignificant until we get a breakout. And if it's down, what could potentially happen here? This is sort of a line in the sand. And we'd really need to see, this is a 1 minute chart. This move can really continue higher. So I don't want to scare myself out of something that's still okay. Price is compressing here. Just waiting. This video is becoming kind of long, especially for one trade, but it may be useful to see what happens and what I'm thinking during this. I'm trying to think and speak and trade at the same time. Oh, okay. Profit target hit. Very good. Let's see. I just want to see. We're not really concerned about anything except the number of, so it's like seven ticks. Okay, we'll end it. Maybe I'll do another trade. Let's see how the market looks. Thank you.